Squeeze your glutes to raise your hips up, creating a flat plane between the knee and the shoulder. Do 2 sets of 30 reps. Take 3 deep breaths into the stomach. With each deep breath, imagine your low back relaxing. And on the 3rd breath, as you exhale, drop your legs to the side. Breathe in, and then bring your legs back up to center. And then exhale and drop to the other side. Do 2 sets of 20 total reps, 10 reps on each side. While lying flat on your back, raise your leg up, grab behind the thigh, and attempt to straighten it, holding for 30 seconds. Lying on your side, bend the bottom leg, slide the top hip forward, tap the top of the butt, and then raise your leg up while squeezing the butt. Repeat 15 times on each side, 2 sets. Starting in push-up position, extend your arms, bringing your chest up off the floor. Stop just before your hips start to come up off the floor. If your hips do come up off the floor, then you've gone too far. It's also important to maintain a relaxed low back throughout the entire exercise. Do 20 reps for 2 sets. Drop to one side of the body until you feel a nice stretch on the inside top of the thigh. Hold for about 30 seconds. Place one knee on the edge of a pipe, foam roller, Pilates block, etc. Keeping the femur vertical, raise it up off the floor while the foot maintains a constant placement on the floor. Keep the arms straight and maintain a back that is as flat as possible. Repeat both sides, 15 reps, 2 sets. Find the muscle located halfway between the outside and the middle of the thigh. Then find the point near the base of that muscle. Place that muscle directly onto a pipe or foam roller, and roll along the muscle until you find the most painful spot. Hold the pipe there for about 90 seconds or until the pain subsides. If the pain is too intense to tolerate, place the non-affected leg onto the floor to take some pressure off. From a kneeling position, dip your hip forward, raise your arm up and over your head, and then twist toward the forward leg, holding the stretch for approximately 30 seconds. Take a baseball found in the parking lot of any Little League field in North America. Locate your hip and draw a semicircle line between your hip and your low back using your finger. Roll the baseball along that line until you find a painful spot. Lie on your side and place the baseball underneath you in the previously located painful spot. Raise your leg up off the floor for added discomfort and faster results. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Stick one hand underneath you and press it against the floor to ensure that your back is flat throughout the entire exercise. Reach your hands back and over your head and bring them back up until they're perpendicular to the floor. Repeat 10 times, 2 sets. Have the same starting position as dead bug number 1. Then extend one leg up so your quads are parallel. Reach your arms back and over your head, then extend them back up until they are perpendicular to the floor. Repeat 10 times on each side for 2 sets. Bring both legs up off the floor. Extend one out until it is even with the opposing heel. Extend your arms up straight, reach them over your head, then back up until they're perpendicular to the floor. To increase the difficulty of dead bug 3, lower the straightened leg closer to the floor. Repeat 10 times on each side for 2 sets. Bring both arms and legs up off the floor, touch the hands to the knees, and then extend the same side arm and leg, alternating left and right. Repeat 10 times on each side for 2 sets. Sit in a chair and slide to one side of it to emphasize your affected leg. Extend the leg out straight and lean forward like you're trying to touch your head to your kneecap. Bend the knee back and then arch your back slightly. Repeat 10 times as you try to increase range of motion with each repetition. Press the 3 middle fingers against the palm while extending the thumb and pinky. Extend the arm back and out, twisting the hand away from your body while curling the hand toward the wrist. Repeat 5 times, holding each stretch for 2 to 3 seconds. Hold the dumbbell with the 3 middle fingers, extending the thumb and the pinky. Extend the arm backward while twisting the wrist out away from the body and curling the hand toward the forearm. Repeat 10 times for 2 sets. Seated upright, place the middle finger of each hand at the tip of each collarbone. Drop the head side to side, imagining your ear touching each middle finger. Make sure your head doesn't twist during this exercise, and repeat 5 times on each side. Bend your hand up toward your wrist and twist it counterclockwise away from your body. Tilt your head to the side, then raise the arm up till it's approximately shoulder level. Turn the body to its neutral position, and then repeat from step 1 5 times on each side. Take a French rolling pin and press it into the top of the forearm, rolling it in upward strokes, down the center, down the outside, and down the inside, repeating a total of 10 times. Then press and hold the rolling pin for approximately 20 seconds at the top of the forearm. Follow the static hold press with 10 more strokes side to side. Put your arms on a chair or a wall with your elbows just touching your side. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and extend your elbows, holding your shoulder blades together throughout the entire movement. Repeat 10 times for 2 sets. Press your fingers into the top of your chest, just underneath the collarbone, approximately between the shoulder and the neck. When you find a painful spot, take the thumb and press it into that area, massaging it and then holding it for approximately 30 seconds, and then massaging again. Place your arm bent at a 90-degree angle on the edge of a chair, desk, doorpost, or exercise ball, etc., and then turn your body away from the arm.